Back with the Tucson running board sidestep LED lighting. It's 60 inches long and a little much for the Tucson. It's meant for a pickup truck, quad cab, extended cab. It's got wiring similar to the Sequential DRL, and it's gonna fit right here in this little gap somewhere, but I'm not exactly sure yet, so I'm gonna find out, because this is one of the thicker LED strips. Some of them are very thin, but this one is thicker. It's got yellow, red, black, and white. Red power, yellow signal light, black ground. It's got a fuse on the ground wire. And the white is the special function. Sort of like the Sequential DRL. Turned blue. Well, this one's gonna light up as an approach light. There's yellow marker light, and these strips actually have a yellow sequential turn signal light, so I can't wait to see that on the Tucson. Sidestep sequential LED lights, and it has a white approach light. You guys already know how to tap into the marker and signal light, so in a future video I'm going to show you how to T-tap the approach light. So we can lie them flat like this, and that will work because the door will clear the light. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to turn it up like this and install it right here at the bottom, and the door, when it closes and opens, it'll just barely clear the strip. There's literally like a couple millimeters left on top for the door to open and close. Alright guys, I'm going to be putting these things on, and I'll have a install video for you guys coming up soon, and I can't wait to see what these things look like. So, like I was saying, they're 60 inches long, and they're made for quad cab pickup trucks. OPL5 is the make of the lights, so I'm gonna see you guys soon with the install video. I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to see what these things look like when the sequential turn signal is on, or when I approach the vehicle. Curious to see how bright they are. I really like the fact that there's an inline fuse in the ground wire, so I can't wait to get it grounded, and I can't wait to make an install video for you guys, because I'm very happy that you come by to watch my movies. So thank you for stopping by, thank you for subscribing, liking, and I'll be back soon with the install.